My name's Keith Martin from IsoTek, and this is an exclusive video for Audio Advisor. Thank you for showing more interest in one of our high-quality mains cables, Premium. Premium is a double-shielded power cord that's designed for CD players, DACs, preamps, etc. It has two quality connectors and a double-shielded cable. The shielding is very important because it stops RFI and EMI entering your audio system, and this is a problem in today's society as we use cell phones, which are smartphones, and have internet access and email. It's also important that we have a shielded cable because we have home networks in our houses which also produce RFI and EMI. The shielding is also active, which means it does a better job. This kind of power cord is a standard that you'll get whenever you buy a new purchase. It costs dollars, if not less. And when it lays on the ground like this, it's no different to it being like this. It's an antenna. And as I said before, we in our homes have wireless networks, and this cable here acts as an antenna and an aerial for all of those unwanted signals. Premium, because of its active shielding, stops this. By stopping RFI and EMI entering your audio system, you'll notice more detail, a quieter noise floor, and more dynamics. It's a very, very cost-effective way to upgrade your system and the components you already own. My name is Keith Martin from IsoTek, and this has been an exclusive video for Audio Advisor.